Now let's start with the RJRGleaner group hosting the launch of its cross-country invasion earlier today. Now this year, the event is held under the theme, The Best of Jamaica at 60, and will be making stops across all 14 parishes. The launch saw sponsors out showcasing different products, while viewers were treated to energetic performances from Tony Rebel, Romain Virgo, Yaxter, Jermaine Edwards, Rhoda Isabella, among others.
I'm still breathing. Heart is still beating, yeah, you said I did.
The foreigners come back a beg, search millions now know to put them in. Beg, woman, right down face it, bro, you get your time away,
The cross-country activities will be outside and virtual broadcasts, virtual street jams, a dedicated weekly TV show, detailed regional features, sporting challenges, and church services. Region 1 kicks off on March 6th. Now, veteran dancehall artist Mr. Lex is gearing up to release his second studio album titled Like I Never Left. The album will consist of 15 tracks and will feature 2 bonus songs. Now, the 90s hitmaker shared the inspiration behind the album with E-Prime.
I'm a free agent now, and it's time for the fans to get the next album. And I had an accident the other day. I was in the hospital and near death situation and things. So God gave me another chance, and I was like, yo, you know what? Let's make the most of it right now. So the project name, Like I Never Left, featuring 13 songs and 2 hidden. And that's the most I'm going to give you guys about now. Let's just say top producers and top artists up on it, and it's going to be crazy.
Mr. Lex is known for hits like Full 100, Make Some Money, and Cook. In 2000, he released his self-titled debut album, which earned 5 weeks on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The entertainment fraternity is in mourning as Jamaican reggae icon Bishop Denroy Morgan passed. The hitmaker died peacefully yesterday in Atlanta after a brief illness. Now, a statement from the family stated that, quote, "Our family thanks you in advance for your overwhelming love and support, and we ask for your continued prayers as we go through this process," end quote. The father of Grammy Award-winning sibling group Morgan Heritage, as well as LMS, has topped the international charts in 1981 with a smash hit, I'll Do Anything For You. Back in 2017, Morgan was honored with the key to the city of Brooklyn, New York. E-Prime sends condolences to the Morgan family. I am Adrienne Gordon with your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.